Hello everyone, as I promised in the previous video, this time we will examine the schematic of Teriel Kapanadze's first generator, which he developed together with his team and successfully demonstrated in 2004. After that, Kapanadze built several other generators, but this one is the simplest and most primitive version, constructed using the components and materials that were available at the time. However, I believe that the exact components used to build this generator are not the most important aspect. What really matters is understanding the principle by which it operates, because this same principle forms the foundation of all similar generators. Teriel Kapanadze has repeatedly stated that this is not his own invention, but rather a practical implementation of ideas originally described by Nikola Tesla. This statement is supported by Tesla's publications, patents, and interviews, in which he describes a method based on a resonant system maintained at a high electrical potential. Tesla compared this principle to Carl Linde's self-cooling process. The concept is based on a resonant coil that is first brought to a high electrical potential and then driven into resonance by an external source. This is precisely the principle that Teriel Kapanadze uses in his generators. The Teriel Kapanadze free energy generator with a jar is the simplest of all his over-unity generators. It can be said to be the simplest one, as there is nothing unnecessary in its construction. This generator contains no converters or inverters and not a single transistor. The question of what the inventor concealed inside the jar has been discussed on the internet since 2004, when the first video appeared.